Now, not all phone chargers are created equal. Some are downright dangerous. Today, I'm going to be helping you spot the fakes before they fry your phone or worse. And this is my experience with buying a fake charger at a legitimate concept store. I recently imported my phone from China, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, but that meant I needed a charger that would work properly here. Now this is the fake Vivo charger. As you can see, the fit and finish of the box is actually not that impressive compared to the real thing which I have on my left. You can see it's very nondescript. It doesn't actually say the Vivo brand, it's just a V. Even though it says it's original, I think that the quality of the sticker is a bit shit. Now if you compare it with the actual Vivo charger, you can see it says Vivo on the box, flash charge charger, and it has just a lot of its info at the bottom. At the back you have a lot of other information, the color, the cables, the specifications and so on. Even the texture of the box is quite premium feeling. Now this is the fake Vivo charger. As you can see, the connection between the cable itself and the brick is not, it doesn't connect properly. Even there's another sticker at the bottom here. Again, there's no Vivo branding here. There's only the Flash Charge 2.0 logo. The resolution of the text is a bit low. Now this one is an original charger. It's the 120 watt version, still in its plastic, but already you can feel that the quality of the charger is a lot higher and the fit and finish feels a bit robust. Charging rate, which is 120 watts. When you take a look at the back, of course, there's the Vivo branding at the top left hand side, flash charge on the right hand side, and there's a lot of other information here. And if you can take a look at the quality and the resolution of the charger is quite high compared to this, a lot worse. Now again, if you take a look closely, you can see that the quality here is a bit rough compared to the original charger. Fake chargers can be dangerous. They might overheat, cause fires, or damage your device. So if you have any doubts about the authenticity of a charger, don't risk it. Remember, it's always better to be cautious than to be sorry later. After all, your phone is more than just a gadget, it's a lifeline. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're curious about the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro, be sure to check out my upcoming review of it